We have some upcoming changes for Carnival Cruises that I want to share with you guys. These changes go into effect October the 1st, so I want to make sure you guys know about them. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got some changes coming up for Carnival Cruise Lines that all go into effect on October the 1st, 2022. So they're going to start here in just a couple of weeks. And the first change is going to be to Carnival's room service menu. So they're going to make a couple of tweaks, a couple of changes, and it looks like there might be a slight increase in the price. So effective with all cruises departing on or after October the 1st, 2022. We will be rolling out the expanded room service menu across our fleet. In addition to the complimentary breakfast selections, we will be adding choices which reflect what we believe will meet more guest preferences. So they're going to make some changes to the room service menu. They're going to add a few items. They're going to add more a la carte items to the menu. Now, they have not released what specific changes they are making to the menu or to the items on there. They have also not released the cost increase, if there's going to be a whole big one. They did hint and indicate there would be a slight price increase, but they have not said specifically what that is or what changes are going to be on the menus. But they do go into effect, like I said, October the 1st. And after that is when those menu changes will be available there, either on the app or in the room itself. Second change is Carnival has announced they are bringing back the Dr. Seuss Green Eggs and Ham Breakfast, also effective October the 1st, fleet-wide. So that is going to be back. That is usually a popular breakfast option, one that a lot of folks have been asking for. Very popular with kids and with adults. Hey, Tiffany and I have been to that particular breakfast before. Really enjoyed it. It is something we will do again. Now, prior to the shutdown and prior to the Dr. Seuss Breakfast being on hold, it was an additional charge of $5. Have not heard of any change in that. Whether that price is going to go up, go down, Carnival did not say. So at this point, we are assuming that it is still going to be the same price for the Dr. Seuss Breakfast. But we'll keep an eye out to see if there's any changes to that after October the 1st. And finally, one more change from Carnival, and the one that I believe will probably be the least popular of all of the changes Carnival is making recently. They have announced there is going to be a price hike to the cost of onboard Wi-Fi, also effective October the 1st. Now, as of today, they have not announced what that price increase is going to be. If you purchase the Wi-Fi package for any upcoming cruises prior to October the 1st, you will still get it at the current rate. But if you purchase it after October the 1st, it's going to be at the new rate, which of course we don't know what that is going to be yet. We just know there is going to be a price increase. And that's why I say that may not be the most popular choice for Carnival, simply because the Wi-Fi at sea can be spotty at best sometimes not even working. Sometimes it works great, sometimes not at all. But either way, the price on it is going to be going up. Now, we do have cruise lines switching over to SpaceX, but Carnival has yet to indicate, hint, or announce that they are also going to be going to SpaceX. So for right now, we're just going to get an increase on what Carnival currently already has for their Wi-Fi services. So just be aware of that if you get Wi-Fi on the ship, you want to get it at the current rate before the price goes up. Make sure you order it and book it prior to October the 1st so that you don't pay whatever that price increase is going to be. Now, as soon as we see any prices for the room service menu, any changes to the Dr. Seuss Green Eggs and Ham Breakfast as far as cost goes, and as soon as we see the price increase rates for the upcoming Wi-Fi, we will let you guys know those numbers. But I wanted to get out to you today that these are changes that are coming to Carnival Cruise Lines. That way you're ready, you're prepared, good to go for your next upcoming cruise. All right, and that's going to be our quick cruise news video for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, has a really great weekend, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas in about 2 weeks.